Are you tired of starving yourself just to lose belly fat? Let me tell you a secret: you don't have to. In fact, skipping meals or extreme diets often do the opposite. They slow down your metabolism and make it even harder to burn fat. Today I'm going to show you how to lose belly fat naturally without starving, without crash diets, and without torturing your body. Stick with me until the end because the tips I'll share could change your fitness journey forever. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Losing belly fat, it's something almost all of us have struggled with at some point. You try different diets, skip meals, even cut out your favorite foods, but instead of losing that stubborn belly fat, you feel tired, hungry, and frustrated. And let's be honest, starving yourself is not only miserable, it's also unhealthy. Here's the truth: belly fat is not just about how your body looks in the mirror. It's closely tied to your overall health. Carrying extra fat around your midsection increases the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and even constant low energy. That's why finding a natural, sustainable way to lose belly fat is so important. The good news? You don't have to punish yourself with extreme diets or live in the gym to see results. In fact, your body wants to be in balance, and when you nourish it the right way, give it consistent movement and manage stress, belly fat starts to shrink naturally. That's what this video is all about. I'm going to share simple but powerful strategies that actually work in the real world. No starvation, no unrealistic rules, and no quick fixes that only last a week. These are practical, science-backed steps you can start today, even from home, that not only burn belly fat but also give you more energy, better confidence, and a healthier lifestyle. So if you're ready to transform your body and finally feel in control without giving up your favorite foods or your happiness, stay tuned until the end. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join this community, because together we're building healthier, stronger, and more confident versions of ourselves. Exercise 1. Plank hold. The plank may look simple, but don't be fooled. This is one of the most effective core strengthening exercises you can ever do. When you hold a plank, you're not just engaging your abs, you're activating your shoulders, back, glutes, and even your legs. It's like a full body challenge wrapped in one powerful move. Here's how to do it correctly. Start by lying face down on the floor. Place your forearms on the ground with elbows directly under your shoulders. Lift your body up so that only your toes and forearms are touching the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or raising them too high. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold this position. Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds, and as your core strength improves, work your way up to 1 or even 2 minutes. The key here is quality, not just time. Keep that body line strong. Why is the plank so powerful? Because it strengthens your deep core muscles, which act like a natural corset around your midsection. This not only reduces belly fat over time, but also improves posture, balance, and stability. Stay strong. Imagine your abs tightening and your belly shrinking with every second you hold. Remember, it's not just a plank, it's you taking control of your body. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are one of the best moves to carve out those toned abs and target stubborn belly fat. Unlike regular crunches, this exercise adds a twisting motion that engages your obliques, the side muscles that help shape your waistline, while still working your upper and lower abs. Here's how to do them. Lie flat on your back with your hands lightly placed behind your head. Lift your legs off the ground and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Now bring your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides, left elbow to right knee, straightening your left leg. Continue alternating in a pedaling motion as if you're riding a bike in the air. Do 15 to 20 repetitions on each side, moving slowly and with control. The secret here is not speed but muscle engagement. Make sure you're twisting through your core and not just moving your elbows back and forth. What makes bicycle crunches special is how many muscles they recruit at once. You're targeting your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and even your hip flexors. Plus, because the movement is dynamic, your heart rate rises, giving you an extra calorie burning effect. This exercise not only helps reduce belly fat, but also gives you a stronger, more defined waistline. Stay focused, keep your core tight, and visualize your midsection becoming leaner with every rep. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are the perfect blend of cardio and core work, making them one of the best belly fat burners you can do right at home. They torch calories fast while targeting your abs, shoulders, and legs all at once. Here's how to perform them. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming forming a straight line. Now bring one knee up toward your chest, then quickly switch, extending that leg back as the other knee comes forward. Continue alternating legs in a fast running-like motion while keeping your body steady. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds of continuous movement. Beginners can start at a slower pace while advanced levels can go faster to raise the intensity. The important part is keeping your hips low and your core tight throughout the exercise. Don't let your body bounce up and down. What makes mountain climbers so effective is their dual benefit. They elevate your heart rate like cardio, which helps burn overall fat while also forcing your abs to stabilize your body. This combination makes them a powerhouse move for flattening your belly. Imagine yourself climbing a mountain. Every knee drive is another step closer to your fitness goal. Push through the burn, breathe steadily, and remind yourself that this exercise is melting away fat while building strength. The best part? You don't need equipment, just determination. Stay strong. Your future flat stomach is built one mountain climber at a time. Exercise 4. Russian twists. Russian twists are one of the best exercises to target the sides of your belly, those stubborn love handles that are so hard to get rid of. This twisting motion fires up your obliques while also strengthening your overall core. Done consistently, it not only helps shrink belly fat, but also sculpts a more defined waistline. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet slightly lifted off the ground. Lean back a little, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Clasp your hands together in front of you or hold a weight if you want extra challenge. Now twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands toward the floor beside your hip. Then rotate back through center and twist to the left. Continue alternating sides in a controlled, steady rhythm. Aim for 20 to 30 twists total, keeping your movements slow and intentional. If lifting your feet is too difficult at first, keep your heels lightly resting on the ground until you build more strength. What makes Russian twists so effective is the rotational movement. It forces your core to work in ways regular crunches can't. Not only will you burn belly fat, but you'll also improve balance, stability, and even posture. Stay focused as you twist. Imagine squeezing your waist smaller with every turn. This exercise isn't just about motion, it's about control. Stay consistent and soon you'll notice those love handles fading away. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Leg raises are a powerful move to target the lower belly, one of the hardest areas to tone. Unlike traditional crunches, leg raises force your lower abdominal muscles to work hard, making them perfect for sculpting a flat stomach. Here's how to perform them. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and your arms at your sides. Press your lower back into the floor to prevent arching. Slowly lift your legs upward until they're at a 90-degree angle, keeping them as straight as possible. Then lower them back down with control until they're just above the floor, but don't let them touch. Hold for a second, then lift again. Start with 12 to 15 reps and focus on moving slowly. It's not about speed, it's about really engaging those lower abs. If this feels too challenging, you can bend your knees slightly or place your hands under your hips for extra support. Leg raises are so effective because they isolate the lower ab muscles, an area that often gets overlooked in regular ab workouts. Over time, this move helps reduce belly fat, strengthens your core, and improves overall body control. As you perform each rep, visualize your lower abs tightening and your belly flattening. Push through the burn, that's your core getting stronger. Stay consistent and you'll feel and see the difference in no time. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a simple yet highly effective exercise that directly attacks lower belly fat while also building endurance. They mimic a swimming motion, but when done on the floor, they set your abs on fire. Here's how to do them. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your arms placed at your sides or under your hips for support. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground, keeping them straight. Now begin kicking your legs up and down in small, quick movements like fluttering. Keep your core engaged, your lower back pressed into the floor, and your breathing steady. Aim for 30 to 45 seconds per set. Beginners can try shorter intervals of 15 to 20 seconds until they build strength. The key is control. Don't let your legs drop to the ground or swing too high. Small, steady movements are best. Flutter kicks are amazing because they constantly keep your abs under tension. Unlike crunches where your muscles get breaks between reps, flutter kicks force your core to work the entire time. This creates an incredible burn that leads to faster results. Yes, they're tough, your abs will start to shake, but that's exactly where the magic happens. Imagine chiseling your lower belly with every kick. Stay focused, keep fluttering, and remind yourself every second you push through brings you closer to a flat, strong core. Exercise 7. Standing side bends. Standing side bends are a fantastic way to target your obliques and slim down your waistline without even lying on the floor. This move strengthens the sides of your core and helps burn away those stubborn love handles. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips or hold a light dumbbell in one hand for added resistance. Slowly bend sideways at the waist, lowering your hand down toward your knee. Pause for a moment, then return to the upright position. Repeat on the same side for 12 to 15 reps before switching to the other side. Keep your movements slow and controlled. Don't lean forward or backward, focus only on bending directly to the side. If you're using a dumbbell, hold it in one hand and place your other hand behind your head for balance. This exercise is powerful because it strengthens your obliques, which are often overlooked but play a big role in reducing belly fat and creating a more toned waist. Plus, since it's done standing, it also engages your legs and improves posture. Every time you bend, imagine squeezing your side belly tighter. It's a simple movement, but when done consistently, it sculpts and slims your core. Remember, small daily effort builds big results. Stay consistent and those love handles won't stand a chance. Exercise 8. Burpees. Burpees are a high-intensity, full-body exercise that blasts belly fat while building strength and endurance. They combine cardio and core work, making them one of the best calorie-burning exercises out there. Here's how to do them. Start standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees, place your hands on the ground, and jump your feet back into a plank position. Do a quick push-up if you can, then jump your feet back toward your hands. From there, explode upward into a jump with your arms reaching overhead. That's 1 rep. Perform 8 to 12 reps moving at a pace that challenges you. Beginners can skip the push-up or the jump at the top until they build more strength. Burpees are so effective because they combine multiple movements: squat, plank, push-up, and jump. This engages your entire body while forcing your core to work overtime to stabilize. The result? Maximum calorie burn in minimum time, which directly helps shrink belly fat. Yes, burpees are tough. They'll leave you breathless and your heart pounding, but they're also incredibly rewarding. Each rep you complete is a victory, a step closer to a leaner, stronger you. Push yourself, stay consistent, and remember, every burpee is burning fat and building strength faster than almost any other exercise. Exercise 9. Reverse crunches. Reverse crunches are a game changer when it comes to targeting the lower abs. Unlike regular crunches where your upper body does most of the work, reverse crunches shift the focus to your lower belly, the area many people find hardest to tone. Here's how to do them. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides. Bend your knees and lift your legs so your thighs are perpendicular to the floor. Press your lower back into the mat, then contract your abs to lift your hips slightly off the floor, curling your knees toward your chest. Lower back down with control, but don't let your feet touch the floor. Do 12 to 15 reps per set. Move slowly, focusing on using your abs rather than momentum. Reverse crunches are powerful because they directly target the lower ab muscles, an area that's often neglected. Over time, this move helps flatten the lower belly, strengthen your core, and improve stability. As you crunch, visualize your lower stomach pulling in tighter with each rep. The movement is small, but the results are huge. Stay focused, breathe through each rep, and push through the burn. Remember, this is the move that will help carve out that flat-toned lower belly you've been chasing. Exercise 10. High knees. High knees are a simple yet highly effective cardio exercise that torches belly fat while strengthening your core. They mimic running in place, but with exaggerated knee lifts that force your abs to engage. Here's how to do them. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Start running in place, but drive your knees up toward your chest as high as possible. Pump your arms to keep the energy flowing. Keep your back straight and land softly on the balls of your feet. Perform for 30 to 60 seconds, going as fast as you can while maintaining control. Beginners can start at a slower pace, lifting knees moderately, while advanced levels can go full speed for maximum calorie burn. High knees are fantastic because they combine cardio and ab engagement. The faster you go, the more calories you burn, which directly helps reduce overall body fat, including belly fat. At the same time, lifting your knees high forces your abs to contract, giving you that extra core workout. Yes, it's intense, but it's worth it. As you drive your knees higher, imagine yourself burning off stubborn belly fat with every step. Push yourself to go a little faster each time, and you'll notice improved stamina, endurance, and a flatter midsection. This is more than just running in place, it's a powerful belly fat crusher. Stay consistent, push through the sweat, and remember, every set of high knees brings you one step closer to the flat stomach you want. And there you have it, the truth about losing belly fat naturally without starving, without extreme diets, and without punishing your body. You've just learned that real transformation comes from balance, nourishing your body with the right foods, staying hydrated, moving consistently, sleeping well, and managing stress. None of these tips are complicated, but when you put them together, they create lasting results that no crash diet could ever give you. Remember, this journey isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every small, smart choice you make, like swapping soda for water, adding a few extra minutes of daily movement, or simply making time for better sleep, adds up to a stronger, healthier, more confident you. You don't have to starve, you don't have to suffer. You just need to stay consistent and believe in the process. Now I want to hear from you. Which of today's tips are you going to start with first? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'd love to cheer you on. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend who's also working on their fitness goals, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another guide, workout, or health tip. By subscribing, you're not just watching videos, you're joining a community of people just like you who are committed to becoming the best version of themselves. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and remember, your healthiest body is built with love and patience, not starvation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.